Yo, what's up? I got something really cool that came in. It's a mystery box from Japan. I don't even know what's in here. We'll just have to find out. Alright, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Pretty convenient opening. Oh man. Who knows? Ooh, we got some bubble wrap. Let's see what's in this bubble wrap. Okay, some bubble wrap. Cool. Alright. Very excited about this. Lots of bubble wrap. Like, it's still going. Second layer of bubble wrap. Okay. Then it comes in this box. Ooh. What do we have here? It's like this gray box. Got this little band on it. Let's see what that is. Okay. What we have here? We have a Game Boy Advance SP. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of bright in here. There you go. See that? Oh yeah. Anyway, this came out in like 2003. It's a vintage handheld gaming thing I wanted for quite some time, and I finally got it. And we'll see. Got the original power cable. Charge it up. Even comes with the booklet. And the booklet is actually in Japanese as well. This is really cool. I mean, I even got the original box. This is straight up from Japan, and here is the console right here. Oh yeah, this is a really good quality here. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it flips up like this. It's got like a screen, and this is, wow. It's like really good quality here. Let's see if it turns on. It might need a charge. Let me turn this thing on. Oh my gosh. Ooh, yeah. And the backlight. What's really cool about this is the backlight. And turn on and off. This is really nice. Even this seems sturdy. Like, wow. I'm pretty excited about this. It did come with some games. I'm pretty sure these games are going to be in Japanese. Let's see what we got here. We have some dodgeball game in Japanese. We got some Street Fighter 2. And we got some Bomberman. Oh my gosh. You know what? Let's put in that Street Fighter 2. I'll show the camera what we got in here. Oh yeah. So the cartridge just goes in like this. Boom. I'm so excited about this. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it on. Let's do this. Let's do this number. Sound quality is awesome on this thing too. Capcom. Look at that art style too. Like, oh yeah. Music, so OG. Okay, it's kind of hard to like. Ooh. Okay, so this is all in Japanese, so I don't know what's being said. I think it's like you choose your character. Oh, maybe it was like a mode. But anyway, you can choose like different. Let's play as the OG. And it's like normal? Sure. I won't go too far with this because I mean... Alright, I guess I'm fighting someone. I just want to show you the graphics. This actually looks pretty good. See that? It even hit me. I'm gonna try to play like this. I can't even see. Okay. Anyway, that's that. Pretty exciting stuff. This looks pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna have some fun with this. I'm really excited. I've wanted this for so long. I finally got one in my hands. It's a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. And anyway, yeah. It's part of my vintage collection. I'm slowly building it. That's just one thing. Ready for the next thing. We'll see what's gonna happen here. Anyway, peace out.